Okay, so in regards to our previous video that you may have seen, which involves the 3D printer, this video is pretty much its use. This is my first 3D print with it, so I'm just going to take you step by step through it, so I hope you enjoy. And as always, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe if you like what we do and it interests you. But yeah, on with the video. So I'm just getting the sheet lined up. I find it easier to poke holes in with the soldering iron rather than tearing the sheet, because yeah, if you screw it in, it can tear it or pull it a bit too tight. The one downside to this is, yeah, there is an awful lot of screws to be doing and getting the tension just right. I like to go opposite sides just to make sure. And once we've got all the screws screwed in, slowly tighten them up, screw by screw, just to make it a little bit sort of more taut. Gonna cut away the excess plastic as well, because I don't need this. Save that for the next one. Now I'm just going to give this a bit of a clean down, because it has had resin in it before. I must admit, when I put it together I did do one print, but yeah, it wasn't video worthy, so just getting that cleaned down, ready for this. And we'll just get the vat put back together, get it all screwed in, make sure it's nice and taut. And then on to the printing. And now we're just calibrating the machine, so just getting it set, getting that set to home. And then once that's at the bottom, going to tighten the two grub screws up. Give it a quick wipe down with alcohol. And then should be able to just put the fluid in. Okay, that's in. That's all lined up, calibrated. Just filling the vat now with the resin. I've gone for a grey, quite hard wearing resin, so I like to pour it on top just to sort of even it out a little bit, let it drip on top and clear as much of that, much of the bubbles as I can. And we'll stick the lid on and set to print. And we'll come back to that when that's all finished. And you can see here what we're printing is a fuse puller for a car fuse and also a bottle opener. Sweet, now they're done, we can have a look. The fuse puller has turned out remarkably well. Fits perfectly. Gonna go and test it in a minute. But yeah, that's all good. Grip's tight. And as you can see, the bottle opener as well, that's also turned out pretty good. So that's enough of this video. If you like it, then there hopefully will be more in future. Please let me know in the comments below. But have a great day.